Hi everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and I am going to talk about how to enable high quality audio streaming in YouTube Music. If high quality streaming is important for you, YouTube Music is a good option. In YouTube Music, you can choose the quality of streaming. So, do you want to learn more about how to enable high quality audio streaming in YouTube Music? Keep watching. YouTube Music Premium subscribers have the option to adjust the audio streaming quality on their mobile devices and on their computers. As everything is set to normal by default, you'll want to increase the quality, especially while listening at home. Before we get started, let's talk about YouTube Music streaming quality options. As laid out on a Google Support page, you can choose from low, normal, high, and always high. The default option, normal, has an upper bound of 128 kbps AAC. Switching to high moves you to an upper bound of 256 kbps AAC. If you're not worried about a data limit, we recommend choosing high as it improves the quality of your streaming services. But if you have a small data cap, you can always limit the quality on mobile networks and increase the quality while on Wi-Fi. One more thing, changing the audio quality on your smartphone won't adjust the sound setting on your computer and vice versa. So what I mean when I'm going to change it on my computer, it does not mean that it will get changed on my mobile phone app. So I have to do each of them separately. You will need to go into YouTube Music settings menu on all of your devices to configure your desired streaming quality. So you can change this quality settings on your Android, iPad, or iPhone. But right now, I am going to show you how to change it on your desktop. So on your computer. So changing your audio quality setting is a much more simple and streamlined experience on your computer rather than doing it in your iPhone, iPad, or Android. So what we do is we start by visiting YouTube's music websites, which I have already done, and you can see the artists that I'm following here. So the next thing is we're gonna click in our avatar like we do in YouTube right here at the right corner. Then we're going to select settings. And from here, since I do not have YouTube Music Premium, I will not have the option for high or always high. So what I am going to show you is this. What we're going to do first is to go to audio, and from there we have this option audio quality right here. But as I told you, I do not have a subscription for premium. I cannot show you that. But when you subscribe for YouTube Premiere, you will have it, and you will be able to choose it. For example, it's just normal. If I have chosen low, it's gonna be low, and I will do this normal, and then that's all. It is already saved as. So all I'm going to do is close this tab and we'll listening to my good music. So if you have any questions about it, ask me in the comments, and I will try to answer all of your questions. And if you have any suggestions or any other thing you would like to learn about, ask me here. And do not forget to subscribe and like. So I'm waiting for this thumbs up. See you.